Hello students, I am Dr. Amit Jain and I have come today to talk specially with the Prof 1 and Prof 2 students. Students, I know you might be a little overwhelmed and probably don't know where to seek the guidance. That is why we are here to give you some much needed hand holding. We at NExT are launching our exclusive foundation course, a one-step comprehensive package to master your key subjects so you can kickstart your preparation for the PG exams. In this comprehensive course, we will cover the Prof 1 subjects like Physiology, Anatomy and Biochemistry and the Prof 2 subjects that is Pharmacology, Pathology and Microbiology in-depth end-to-end preparation. As for me, I'll be coming to boost your knowledge in biochemistry. So talking about the course, we are offering up to 150 hours of video lectures and up to 30 hours of rapid revision videos for the quick recapping. We have tailored our study materials to be very crisp and on point so you can enjoy self-paced learning along with your college classes. Our foundation course will also have an expert curated question bank with over 2000 questions along with PYQs and 15 plus pattern based online tests that will be inclusive of major and minor and subject wide tests and discussions. To add icing on the cake, our digital notes are some of the most detailed and demonstrative ones to ensure maximum concept retention for you. So grab your doctor's coat and enroll for the NExT Foundation course. To enroll, head to the website or fill in the form in the description. All the best.